Hi, if you want to turn photo into sticker on Samsung Galaxy S25, then let's open Gallery first and find photo we want to save as sticker. For this video, I'm gonna pick this plant, and to save it as sticker, we would need to press and hold picture like that, so it will move a bit. And now on top you should see several options. So simply tap to save this one as sticker, and then you can choose its style. For example, let's pick this cartoon and tap done. And now it is saved to your stickers pack. So if you want to add this sticker to another photo, for example, then choose a photo, tap pen icon, choose this emoji icon, and from draw switch to stickers. And after that, on the bottom, you need to find icon with your gallery, tap it, and simply tap on sticker you want to add. Of course, you can adjust its size. You can flip it by using this middle icon. You can duplicate it like that. You can delete one. You can also save it by tapping save button, and this is the result. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.